Wow. Wow. A 992 GT3 RS. Wow. Look at that. I can't believe it. A Countach has just arrived. Good morning everyone. Today we were desperate to get out because the weather is beautiful, but we looked online, there wasn't a lot on. We did find though a show on at Little Easton Manor, but it's classics and interesting cars. I do like classic cars, but I'm more passionate about supercars and sports cars. This one is a bit of a gamble, but we're going to go along and see what turns up. I'll see you there, let's get going. As I said, this is a complete gamble, so we don't know what to expect. And there's already some classic cars here, but through there is the main area. Let's go have a look. Wow, there's a GT4 here, then there's this GT3 in this really nice blue, and then through here, whoa, there's a Porsche here, but there's so many cars here. There's more Porsches here, more Porsches here. How nice is this Jag? That's really nice as well. Then we've got an Aston Martin, a Corvette, and then there's a Porsche McLaren Turbo S. There's tons of classics here. Ooh, I see a 991, McLaren there. 991 GT3 RS, Aston Martin V8 Vantage, another Turbo S. That's really nice. That BMW 635C CSI is really nice. Then we've got a Ferrari here, and then through here we have a Bentley, I think it's a Bentley, Bentley. Then we have wow. So there's a Ferrari here, but look what's behind it. A 992 GT3 RS. And this is paint to sample, so it's a really rare colour. This is so nice. It's a Y-sack as well. And look at the spoiler, there's so much carbon on it. Check out this M3. And one thing I love about this is the BBS wheels. This is such a nice spec. Look at this Ford pickup truck, and I bet this has a V8 in it. This is so cool. And it's got 4 exhausts on this side, and then come round here, there's actually 8 exhausts in total because there's 4 on this side as well. I'm loving this. This is a really, really cool Morgan. And the best part about this, I think, is the 4 side exit exhausts. So you've got 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. What would you take out of these two? This tuned Evo or this really cool Lotus Exige? Another Ferrari, this version's a Testarossa. 2 GT cars here, a GT4 in this lovely grey, and I absolutely adore the colour in this GT3. There's another section through here. Let's take a look what's through here. Wow. This is packed as well. There's Mustangs, there's... Look at that. How cool is that? That is really cool. That is like proper cool. Wow. I did not spot this SF90. Is it Stradale? It might be Stradale. Yes, a Stradale as well. And this is like really cool. Carbon wheels. Guys, I can't believe it. A Countach has just arrived. Wow. Wow. That is so nice. That's like really, really nice. How about this for an M2? It's got the full M Sport livery on it, and it also has tyre writing. When Minis used to be Mini, and then next to that, this really cool Theatre Bath. This must be the Jack corner. There's an R32 GTR there and an R33 GTR there. Here's something different. Look at this bright orange hot rod. Then next to it is this black and grey one. How about this for a Ford Duo? So you've got the Escort, then through here you've got the XR3i. Look at this BMW 750 IL, but the star part about this car is the V12 engine in the front. Wow. I would love to hear this boosted down the roads. Wow, check out this classic Porsche. Check out this TVR. Follow me, there's a Hurricane, there's a GT4 and a really nice orange. Wow, look at that. I think this absolutely flies. This is an Escort 2000 and if you look inside it's completely stripped out. I think this is the muscle section because you've got a Mustang Dark Horse here, you've got another Mustang here, then you look up here, there's a Mustang GT, another Mustang GT, and that's really cool because look at all the purple all over it. Then there's another Mustang here, a Mach 1 here, and then right at the end there is a really cool convertible Mustang. That paid off. There were supercars, there were sports cars, and there was lots of really nice classic cars. If you thought the video was good, please can you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.